Hi, I'm Ginika from Activepieces. I work as a content writer. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I use Activepieces agents to make my work easier. So here you're looking at a flow and an AI agent that helps me to automate keyword research and SEO blog writing. Let's take a close look at how it works. The flow starts here with a schedule by 9 a.m. and once the schedule is triggered, a topic is picked randomly from a list of topics here. So once the topic is picked, an API request or a HTTP request is sent to a keyword research tool to help research for the trending keywords around the topic or the popular keywords around the topic that was chosen in step 2. So once the list of keywords is retrieved, we send it over to the AI agent. You can see here the list of keywords given to the AI agent. So below here is instructions I've given to the AI agent to help guide it on the tone of voice and the style of content I'm looking to achieve. So here we can see the output of the AI agent here. So now let's take a close look at what the AI agent looks like. Here's the AI agent. This is the name that I gave the AI agent, the description and the instructions for the AI agent. So here you attach your tools or you add your tools. I added my Google Docs because that's what I need for this specific automation. So this automation ensures that I wake up every day to already drafted content, and then I can now edit and refine it to the style and tone and structure that I want to achieve, adding that human touch to the content. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.